Okay, we're moving from our old house to our new house. And that's my daughter. She's a human burrito in the mattress because I have a king size bed and we kind of had to roll it. We had to roll it up and now she's stuck. So
I'm not stuck.
So she's going to try to wiggle her way out. This is...
Who is it?
I don't know.
Hello. Hello. What's up? I'm trying to get out of a mattress right now. Hold on. Oh.
Who is that?
It's Raymond. Oh my god. Alright, I'm okay. We're good.
And she's out.
Good.
Say hi, wave to the camera.
Wait. Oh, did you already do it?
No, what?
Wait.
Oh God.
Woo!